Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for graded math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to graded, and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter two-dimensional figures. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 8 math. The chapter we are going to start with is two-dimensional figures. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is identify and classify polygons. Okay, is this a polygon? No. Although it is a closed shape, right? But it does not have straight sides. So polygon must have the straight sides, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is yes, it is, right, because the shape have the straight line. So yes, that is a sorry. It has its size have different lengths and it have different angles. The correct option is no. This isn't a polygon. Let's just start with the okay. Let's just move on to next one. Is this shape a regular polygon? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes. It is a regular polygon. Is this a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon, right? The correct option is yes. Yes, it is a regular polygon. Is this a polygon? No, this isn't a polygon. The correct option is no. Is this shape a regular polygon? The correct option is no. This isn't a regular polygon, right? Is this a polygon? Yes, it is a polygon, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is classify triangles. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is classify triangles. So what kind of triangle is this, right? We have three types of triangles. They are acute triangles, right triangles, and obtuse triangles, right? So acute triangles are the one that have all the three angles that are less than 90 degrees, right? Then you have right angle. That means one of the angle is exactly 90 degrees, right? And in obtuse triangles, one angle is greater than 90 degrees, right? So just look at the given triangle. You have one of the angle that is exactly 90 degrees, right? So that means that is a right angle triangle. The correct option is right angle triangle. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. A triangle has measurements of 46 degrees, 64 degrees, and 70 degrees. What kind of triangle is this? The correct option is all the angles are less than 90 degrees, right? So that is a acute triangle. What kind of triangle is this? Yes, right triangle it is, right? Because the angles are exactly 90 degrees, so that is a right angle triangle. Okay, is the triangle equilateral? Yes, that is equilateral triangle because all the side lengths are exactly equal in measurement. So yes, that is equilateral triangle. Equi means equal sides, right? Okay, a triangle has the measurement of 98 degrees, 34 degrees, and 48 degrees. What kind of triangle is this? Which is the correct option? That is a scale and triangles because our no all the angles are different is in measurement. So that would be a scale and triangle. Is this triangle equilateral? No, this isn't equilateral triangle, right? Because one of the side is different in measurement. The correct option is no. What kind of triangle is this? Which is the correct option? That is the scale. That is the equilateral triangle because all the angles are exactly equal in measurement. Equilateral triangle, it is right. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is classify quadrilaterals. Let's just start with the next lesson. What my what name best describe this shape? So you are given a shape, you have to find the name of the shape, right? So here is the shapes and their a kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of sides that are congruent and adjacent, right? So if two of the pairs of the sides are congruent and adjacent, that means that is a kite. Then trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel and congruent. So if both these opposite sides are parallel and congruent, that means that is a parallelogram. Now you have the rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram with four sides that are congruent. So for the given one, you have two opposite sides. They both have the 90-degree angles, right? That is a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. So that is the quadrilateral. Trapezoid, sorry. What name best describe this shape? So which is the correct option? So you can see the opposite pair of angles are exactly 90 degrees, right? So yes, that means that is a trapezoid. The correct option is trapezoid. What name best describe this shape? Parallelogram, rectangle, which is the correct option? That is a parallelogram, right? Because opposite pairs of lines are parallel, so that is a parallelogram. Rectangle. Why? All the four sides are parallel, right? So that is a square is a parallelogram with four right angles and four congruent sides. So all the four sides are right angles, and also they are all at the congruent sides. The correct option is rectangle it is. What name best describe the shape, which is the correct option? Square it is. The correct option is yes, that is a square. What name best describe this shape, which is the correct option? Rhombus it is, right? The correct option is. But all the four sides are, but they don't have the right angle. That is the rhombus. What name best describe the shape, which is the correct option? Parallelogram, rectangle. That is a parallelogram, right? Because the opposite pair of lines are parallel, so that is the parallelogram. What name best describe the shape? Is it kite or quadrilateral, which is the correct option? This isn't the kite, that is the quadrilateral, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is that is find missing angles in triangles and quadrilaterals. Okay, what is the measure of the missing angle? You are given this shape, you have to find the measure of the missing triangle, right? So there are one, two, three, four angles in the triangle. The sum of the four angles must be 360, right? Because that is a four-sided shape. So for the four-sided shape, the sum must be 360 degrees. You are given three of the angles. Just add them and subtract them out of 360. So you need to add up all the angles and subtract out of 360, so you end up on 49 degrees. So that means the missing angle is 49 degrees, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What is the measure of the missing angle? So that is a four-sided shapes, right? So when the shape is a four-sided shape, the sum of all the angles must be 360. So the all the angles are 53, you have 58 degrees plus 94 degrees plus 121 and plus the missing one that equals 360. Let me just add them. That is 58 plus 94 plus 121, that is 273. So subtract it from the other side. 360 minus 273, the correct option is 87 degrees. So that means the missing angle equals 87 degrees, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so for this one, that is 87. What is the measure of the missing angle? That's a triangle. So the triangle, that is a triangle. So sum of all the angles in a triangle equals 180, right? That is 112 degrees plus 34 degrees plus the missing one that equals 180. So add them and subtract them other side. So that would be 180 minus 146, right? So simply subtract and that equals 34 degrees. So the missing angle is 34 degrees. Got it? What is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? That is a four-sided shape. So sum of all the angles in a four-sided shape must equal 360, right? So subtract the given angles out of 360 and you will find the fourth right missing angle. That would be 34 degrees plus 114 plus 98 plus the missing angle that equals 360. Let me just add them and subtract them other side, right? The missing angle is 114 degrees. The correct option is 114. 114 degrees is the correct option. What is the measure of the missing angle? The missing angle is, that's again the four-sided shape. So which is the correct option? So sum of all the angles in a four-sided shape must be 360 degrees. So let's just add these angles and subtract out of 360. That's how you find the missing number. So the missing number is 124 degrees is the correct option. What is the measure of the missing angle? So which is the correct option? The missing angle is 91 plus 57 plus 73, that is 221, take away 360, that is 139 degrees is the correct option. 139 degrees it is, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is exterior angle theorem. Let's just start with the next lesson. What is the measurement of angle I? My angle I is an exterior angle. Exterior angle means that is an outside the triangle, right? The angles that are inside are interior angles. The angles that are outside are exterior angles. So to find the exterior angle, add the two remote interior angles. Remote interior angle means the angle is on the two connecting lines, right? And they have the angles 31 and 32. So you can simply add them. That would be the angle measurement of the exterior angle, right? So 31 degrees plus 32 degrees is 63 degrees. So angle 1 equals 63 degrees, right? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is measurement of angle 1? So angle 1 is an exterior angle, right? So the exterior angle 1 is the sum of the two corresponding connecting angles, right? So the angles are 57 degrees and 92 degrees. So 57 plus 92 is 149 degrees. What is the measurement of angle 1? Which is the correct option? Angle 1 is exterior angle, right? And the two connecting lines have the angles 91 and 51. So exterior angle is the sum of the two connecting angles. So the correct option is, that is, measurement of angle 1 equals 142 degrees. The correct option is, that is 131 degrees. The correct option is 131. That is 63 degrees is the correct option. What is measurement of angle 1? Which is the correct option? That is 131 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is measurement of angle 1? Which is the correct option? That is 118 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 136 is the correct option. The correct option is, yes, that is 147 degrees. That is 150 degrees, right? The correct option is that is 145 degrees, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next. So you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. Chapter we're working on is two-dimensional figures. The lessons we have covered are identify and classify polygons, classify triangles, classify quadrilaterals, find missing angles in triangles and quadrilaterals, and exterior angle theorem. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just covered, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.